Welcome guys to a new trade breakdown. In this one, I'm going to show you a trade that I took during the London session from today morning. I took it on the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar, and I used the strategy that I have always shared with you guys in this channel. You can go and check it out. I'm going to leave the links on the description or click on the card that will appear on the upper side of the screen. So for full transparency, you can see my execution here. I entered here and exited here. So the purpose of this trade breakdowns videos is actually there is two purposes. First of all, educational purposes to show I'm showing you how I'm applying this strategy right here on live charts, all right, live conditions. I'm also showing you the reason behind it and the trade management, all right. So how did I move my stop loss? How did I choose to take profit, and so on. The second thing is second purpose is I'm journaling my journey, my trading journey here. Of course, I'm journaling this on a Notion template, but there's nothing like maybe in the future you want to see how far you have come. So pulling out these videos of me talking, so reasoning with the charts, what did I see, what did I not see, all right guys? So there's nothing like that, all right? Now, let's get into it. So the first condition on the checklist is a liquidity gap. Oh, before I start, I always forget this. The time is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. So make sure it is UTC -4 here. So all you need is 3 hours a day. That's all you need. So first of all, a liquidity gap. Do we have a liquidity gap here? Yes, we have this liquidity gap. So after 2 a.m. price reach for this liquidity. The next condition is higher time frame PDA rejection. You can see that first of all, I was marking this fair value gap right here. All right. So I was expecting price to reject from this fair value gap. So what happened is that price breached this fair value gap right here. So the next PDA is this order block right here. So the two consecutive candles before down close candles before the big move right here, and this is high probability order block because you can see that we have taken liquidity, we found this order block in a key level, all right. So this is a higher probability order block. So second condition is checked. The next thing is lower time frame market structure shift. You can go back. So the lower time frame is the 5 minute or the 3 minute. I don't go below the 3 minute. All right, guys. So the 3 minute is the max I can zoom in for. So we have this. So we have this market structure shift right here. So the third condition is met. And the next thing is the entry. The entry is on a breaker or a fair value gap. So you can see that here we don't have a breaker nor a fair value gap. So the fair value gap is here, but you can see that the price never mitigated. Why? Never filled it. Why? So you can see that the low of the candle right here. So let me show you something. So you can see that the low of this candle, which is the upper side of the fair value gap, is 49, and the candle here that almost touched the fair value gap is also 49. So you can see that the fair value gap never get filled, and I have discussed with you earlier in previous videos exactly why fair value gaps stay open, and you can see that we have a balanced price range here. You can go check it out on the video. I have left it, I'm going to leave it on the description, or you can click the card here. So you can see when we have this formation right here, which is a balanced price range, don't expect the price to reach for that fair value gap. So maybe some of you waited for this fair value gap right here. The entry was here, maybe the entry was here and never get filled. So the reason is we have this balanced price range. All right, guys. And so the stop loss, I put it here, and then after breaking this swing right here, I moved it to here. All right. So the stop loss management is whenever I see a break in market structure, so a new break in market structure, then I reduce it a bit, only a bit, so I don't rush to break even. All right. So I'm giving the market room to breathe. And then my target was this fair value gap right here. All right. So I believe that was it for this video. It was a quick one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll reply to you, or DM me on my Twitter account. All right. And happy trading.